Hello friends, welcome to Little Minds Biggest Achievers Education. In this video, we learn about N sound words and M sound words. Are you excited friends? Yes, let's go. N sound words: fan, man, can, pan, ran, ban. Let's do it one by one. Fan, F-A-N, fan. Man, M-A-N, man. Can, C-A-N, can. Pan, P-A-N, pan. Ran, R-A-N, ran. Ban, B-A-N, ban. M sound words: jam, cam, dam, ram, ma'am. Let's do it one by one. Jam, J-A-M, jam. Cam, C-A-M, cam. Dam, D-A-M, dam. Ram, R-A-M, ram. Ma'am, M-A-M, ma'am. Well done friends. Thank you for watching. If you like, then share and subscribe to become a family. Bye bye. Love you all.